Welcome back to Primetime News. In this week's Business Review, we hear from local digital entrepreneurs who are demanding that banks do more to facilitate their online operations. The digital entrepreneurs argue that they have been coming up with creative ways to collect money from their clients and are insisting that something be done to facilitate them in the formal banking sector. The entrepreneurs were speaking on the latest episode of The Exchange, Financial Gleaner and JNN Business Forum.
The internet and the technologies have made it possible for all entrepreneurs to develop a thriving business. With little capital, lots of drive, and the right acumen, Jamaicans and others across the globe have turned their passions into profits. For many, the new Wall Street is online. And Jamaicans are moving quickly to carve out their piece of the pie. But, according to CEO of Jamaican Care Packages Rory Craig Walker, local banks aren't making it easy for them.
Collecting credit card payments in Jamaica is a huge problem. We all know it. When I started 4 years ago, the only way I could collect money was from PayPal, and then I had to wait 2 weeks to get a check, and then 3 weeks to clear the check. That's definitely unacceptable to try and do business as a as a local company here.
That only works as a hobby.
Exactly. So what I had to do, I actually had to register a company in the U.S., get an actual U.S. bank account, send all of the fees there, and then actually do a wire to my local bank account. And I would say in 2018, that's not good enough.
CEO and founder of EduFocal, Gordon Swaby, explained that he's had to devise creative ways to collect his payments.
Because once you distribute, you have to collect. It means that then we've had to create creative ways of collecting revenue every month, and it means that it's not flowing through your bank account on a daily basis. So it's a big challenge. The e-commerce space in Jamaica is generally a mess.
So what exactly are digital entrepreneurs asking for?
The banks definitely need to implement something for local small entrepreneurs to collect money from the customers. It's very simple.
For the Business Review, I'm Andrew Laidley.